So this is the 3D printer that we've got in Fuse. And how it works is it basically melts the plastic that's fed into it from this spool here, and it melts the plastic, and then it sort of builds and creates a 3D model of whatever that is designed on the computer, and then is fed into the machine. It can 3D print, and there's examples of things that have been printed on it here. So it's basically it's used a lot for prototyping. So if a business wants to just have a sort of quick idea of how a 3D model would look like, they would use the 3D printer. We had a business just up the road, Gloucester's. They came to Fuse because they wanted to 3D print a prototype of a mug, which is a small mug. And they did this using the 3D printer. It was a quick and fairly straightforward way for them to see what the mug would look like. Without the 3D printer, they would have had to gone through the process of sort of creating the mug from scratch, from using pottery, that sort of thing, using clay. So the 3D printer was a sort of quick solution for them, and yeah, so that's the 3D printer. Here we've got the heat press and the mug press, and these are mainly used to transfer ink, sort of images from the paper here onto, with a heat press, onto sort of materials such as bags and t-shirts, anything that's polyester. And with the mug press, obviously it transfers the ink and the image onto a mug. So here we've got a business with their logo on the mug, and yeah, the same here, we've got an example of a business logo on a bag. And so these equipment are great if you want to sort of put your branding and your logos on merchandise and that type of thing. We've run workshops in the past where businesses have come in to learn how to use the heat press and the mug press in order to put their own logos on bags and mugs and t-shirts. So yeah, that's what these equipment are used for mostly. So this is the laser cutter that we've got in Fuse. This is probably one of the most popular equipment that we've got here in the space. It's used to cut and engrave materials. Most people use it to cut and engrave plywood. So we've got a spoon here that was sort of cut and engraved with the laser cutter. They can also cut and engrave acrylic as well. So someone's made a Christmas decoration with the laser, and also we can engrave on slate as well. So we've got a slate coaster here that's got the Fuse logo engraved onto it. So there's loads of different uses that can be done with the laser. We had a business come in to create their own stamps. So the laser cutter cut into the rubber, and then just dip it into the ink, and this is then able to sort of label the products of that business. So that was that. And yeah, so there's loads of different uses for the laser, and it's all available for free here in Fuse.